Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. This is a monthly read for Libra, Sun, Moon and Rising for the month of August. With the regular Rider-Waite Tarot deck, I am using Chakra Wisdom cards and I am using Monology by Yasmin Boland for the themes for the month. Okay, so situation over here on the table is that the Libra people, they were in a situation, you guys are in a situation where a negative energy is around you, and maybe someone, not maybe, this is for sure, that someone is trying to take advantage of you, someone is trying to cheat on you, someone is using you for their benefit, and now in this month of August you will be able to see the whole situation very clearly. If you were not happy in the past even, but still if you had any sort of doubts about the person, in this month you will see very clearly what exactly their intentions towards you, and what exactly is going on in your situation, and how the other person is using you, how the other person is getting benefit from you. All these sort of negative energies you will be able to see by your eyes. So as I have said that you were not happy in the past even, but that sadness, that gloominess, that unhappiness, it will be healed in coming days. You can expect that things will be turning into good, not in the sense that you will be having a good time with the same person, because I have judgment in reverse, so I cannot see any sort of reunion or reconciliation with the same person. Rather, I feel in the future, very next month, most probably September, you will be leaving this person. You will be leaving this person literally, or you will leaving this situation by holding your emotions, by not giving any chance to the person to use you in any context. The person can be an air sign, or maybe the person is having a Queen of Wands energy. Sometimes Queen of Wands is a spouse who is not loyal towards their spouse, or who has been part of multiple relationships. So which is one thing which is very much sure over here, that if you are in a committed relationship, that will be looking over in a month or so, and that bad patch which is being spread upon years and years, that will be ended very soon. As far as the oracle cards are telling me, these I have basically advice for you over here. I have meditate and contemplate. This card tells me that you need to improve your spirituality, you need to remain focused on being stayed connected with the universe. You really need to contemplate on the situation. Don't act foolishly, don't act haphazardly. To get a guidance, you really need to meditate in this scenario, and further ahead in your life you will be starting a new quest. I have two cards over here which is telling me that spiritually you will be starting a new journey in your life, and you will be learning new things. It doesn't necessary that you will learn from someone you expect from. When we open ourselves to learn something, then we should open all the options, and without considering the other person's gender or age, anyone who can teach us anything, we should be open enough to accept that wisdom, whether that is coming from some elderly person or someone younger than you. So I really feel that it's time to start a new journey. It's time to leave that negative situation behind and move forward towards positivity, towards ascension, towards improvement of your soul and your spirituality. This journey will take you ahead, and it will be a very healing experience for yourself as well. So moreover, I have I really feel that maybe the person is trying to reconnect with you, and you need to resist that. Maybe it's your family or your social environment which is bringing up which is giving you which is forcing you to accept these offers or remain in the same situation, but you really put an effort to stop them. You are on a higher ground, you can do that. It won't be a problem for you, but you need to take a stand for yourself. You need to take a stand, what the truth is, what the reality is. So this was the reading for Libra for the month of August. I will see you next time. Take care. Bye.